Testing and commissioning, we call it T&C for short, it's a critical stage in any construction project. It doesn't matter if you're building a house or a skyscraper. This is where we make sure everything works like it should. We're talking plumbing, electrical, HVAC, you name it. T&C ensures that the building is safe, efficient, and ready for you to move in. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a new car without taking it for a test drive, right? T&C is the test drive for a building. We put all the systems through their paces to catch any problems before you get the keys. This saves everyone headaches and costly repairs down the road. Remember, we want everything working perfectly, right from the start. First up, we've got the testing phase. This is where we really put things through the ringer. We run all sorts of tests to make sure everything is up to snuff. Functional testing. We make sure each individual component works as it should, like flushing a toilet or turning on a light switch. Performance testing. We push systems to their limits to make sure they can handle the load, like running all the appliances at once. Safety testing. We check all safety systems like fire alarms and sprinklers to make sure they'll work when you need them most. Integration testing. We make sure all the different systems work together seamlessly, like the heating and cooling system. Load testing. We simulate real-world conditions to see how the building handles stress, like a crowded room full of people. Environmental testing. We check for things like air quality and water tightness to make sure the building is healthy and comfortable. Now we move on to commissioning. This is where we fine-tune everything and make sure it's all running smoothly. Documentation review. We double-check all the manuals and instructions to make sure everything is installed correctly. Installation verification. We physically inspect all the systems to make sure they're installed according to plan. Functional verification. We test everything one last time to make sure it's working as it should. Performance verification. We run the systems for an extended period to make sure they can handle continuous use. Training. We show the building owners and operators how to use and maintain all the systems. System handover. Once everything checks out, we hand over the keys to a fully functional and safe building. So there you have it. Testing and commissioning is all about making sure your building is safe, efficient, and ready to go. It's an investment that pays off big time in the long run. You wouldn't want to move into a new home with faulty wiring or leaky pipes, would you? T&C ensures that everything is working perfectly so you can have peace of mind and enjoy your new space. Remember, a little T&C goes a long way in making sure your building is built to last.